It seemed to be like the pellet stove wasn't moving a lot of air anymore. So I opened up the thing to take a look at the blower, and that's horrid. No wonder it's not moving any air anymore. So I'm gonna have to take this wheel out of there and clean it. Not good. I cleaned the blower out, not the best, but I don't have an Allen key on hand that's long enough to reach from the hole here into there to get it off, so I just scraped it off with a screwdriver and a brush. That was not one season worth of dust. That was years and years worth of dust, which is annoying to me because the person that put this in said, "Oh, I did a professional cleaning. Ooh, you should have it professionally cleaned twice a year." Well, nah, I'll do it myself. That's baloney. I also oiled the motor a little bit, put a couple drops of oil into the ports. So that's cleaned up for now. I gotta buy a better set of Allen keys, because the problem is, I'll show you what the problem is. It's just a hair too short, and I can't, I mean, if it was a quarter-inch longer it would work, but it's just too short. So I have a feeling it's stuck on there anyways. That looks pretty rusted. So I know you better to leave that alone until there's a problem with the motor. The other motor, the combustion blower, I did take it off and clean it. I blew out the motor with the compressed air. That's got ball bearings and they need to be replaced. That's why it makes that kind of clicking sound as it runs. That's bearings going bad. See if I can spin it up real quick here. That's bearings. So that needs new bearings. Should be able to get bearings for that pretty easily. I wonder if this motor, this is a 1650 I think. Yeah. I wonder if this could be replaced with a 3000. Get more air through there. I have to play with that a little bit. Alright, well, I've got some more dusting off to do, and then I'll put everything back together and see how it runs. I still got to clean out the front here. This is the worst it's ever been because it ran for, I don't know, 7 or 8 bags before I cleaned it. There's all the ashes up in the top and everything now, so it's going to take me some time to clean this out, but I'll do that and then I'll show everything when I'm done. I just got done with the cleaning. Let's turn it on and see how it works. Oh jeez, you can actually hear the air moving now. That fan thing really irritates me. This is whipping the air out now. Wish I had done this, oh my gosh, you can feel it all the way out here. I can still feel it all the way over here. That is unbelievable. Really wish I had discovered that before it was 0 degrees for the last couple of days. Well, that is exactly why I do everything myself. If I had $1 for every time I saw someone do a crummy job and take shortcuts, oh, I could retire tomorrow. Never again. I will service the stove myself. Yeah, it's moving a ton more air now, and you can hear the difference in the speed. And you can feel the difference. You never could before. Wow. That was not a couple months worth of dust. I don't think that has ever been cleaned since the stove was put in the previous user's case. Because I had bought this used. Outrageous. Well, it may go through a lot less pellets now that the air is moving through here properly. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.